In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion Support Services. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to get back a deleted Notion page by starting from a Google search, logging in, opening your trash, and restoring the content to where it belongs. I'll keep things clear and practical so you can follow along without any guesswork. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Notion and look for the official Notion website. You'll recognize it by the familiar branding and the Notion.com address. Clicking the official result ensures you land on the right place without detours. Once you're on the Notion homepage, look for the Login button, typically at the top right. Click Login and follow the on-screen prompts to access your account securely. If your browser remembers your session, you might be taken straight to your workspace. If not, complete the standard sign-in flow. Take a second to confirm you're in the right workspace if you use more than one, because trash is specific to each workspace. After you're in Notion, turn your attention to the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find the trash section. This is where recently removed pages live before they're permanently deleted. Click Trash to open it. You'll see a list of items that were deleted, often including the page title and when it was last changed. Take a moment to scan the list and identify the page you want back. If two pages have similar names, open each briefly to verify the contents before restoring, so you don't bring back the wrong one. When you found the right page, click Restore. Notion will return the page to its previous location within your workspace structure. If the original folder or database still exists, the page goes right back there. Otherwise, it may reappear in your sidebar or a general area, and you can move it where you need it. If you don't immediately see it after restoring, try using Notion Search to locate the page title and confirm it's back. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Restored pages come back with their content and most settings intact, including subpages. If you shared the page before, double-check the sharing settings after restoring to make sure the right people have access. And remember, if an item has been permanently deleted, it can't be recovered from trash. That's it. You searched for Notion with Google, logged in, opened trash, and clicked Restore to bring your page back. Thanks for watching, and take care restoring your workspace.